Hey guys, Dave here. Paula is on the video camera.
Hi.
We're headed to the house. We just got 3 feet of snow last night. Yeah, love it. No power, of course. I mean, granted, this is nothing like they're getting out in California. And we got this New Jersey guy in front of us doing 10 miles an hour. But yeah, we got about 3 feet. Hopefully, if this guy doesn't not get out of the way, I want to hold the video on until we get to my house so you can see the difference. So down here in the village area, it's not too bad. I mean, it's bad, but not horrible. And this lady doesn't have a clue what she's doing.
Well, she's brake checking.
Now she's turning. She doesn't have a clue where she is.
Thanks, sister. Move your ass.
So,
Oops.
people that are used to driving in the snow, and this is absolutely nothing. As you can see, the road, because of the March sun, is already melting off on here. This is Route 100 south here in Ludlow. This heads to the southern part of Vermont. If you turn around, it's considered 100 north, and that goes up into more of the ski country. Yeah, the roads look great, but if you look at the trees, all that is coming off and knocking down all the power lines. That's why we have no power. But where we live, I can go out and blow on the power lines and the power lines will come down. I mean, the power will go out. It's just ridiculous up here. But as you can see, as we're going further this way, we're actually gaining in elevation, and there's more snow than there was just even a half mile back. By the time we get to our hill, there'll even be more snow. And as you can see, it's starting to get worse. The trees, the roads are fine, but you get more and more snow. I'm in 2-wheel drive. Don't need 4-wheel drive right now. But when we turn to go onto our hill, yeah, we will need 4-wheel drive. So right up here, we'll be turning onto our road. Right up here. And now we'll be putting it into 4-wheel drive. Here just beaten in. Well, this is the turn to our road. And now we're going to be going up my hill. I've lived on this hill all my life pretty much. As you can see, big difference in snow already just between there and here. And you got some clown that decided to put snow in the middle of the road.
We won't say that clown's name.
And that clown lives right here.
Yeah, over there. It's a great guy. Just kidding. Not.
And now we're pulling into our place. As you can see, we got snow. All right, guys. Just throw out that quick video. Have a good day. Bye.